Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start with the lesson number 2 and the name of our lesson is The Charitable Tree. This is a story of one tree and a boy. So we are going to understand the story properly, and yes, we also see and we will learn that what is the meaning of charity and why we should do the charity, how we should help others, how we should take care of others. So in this chapter we're going to learn all these things. I am the king of the forest, the boy would announce every day, playing under the large old mango tree. He would make a crown of its leaves. The tree loved to have the boy visit it and play on its branches. He would present that the mangoes were gold, and he would give them as reward to his peasants. Peasants means the laborers of the kingdom. Time passed and the boy grew to be a man. But to the tree, he would always be a boy. Gradually, he stopped coming to the tree. The tree waited for him every day. One day, to the tree's great delight, he saw the boy coming towards him. The boy approached and said about the tree, "I need money because without money I cannot marry." Tree said, "Take my mangoes. They are very best variety. Sell them and you will have more than you require." The boy quickly stripped the tree of every single mango, took them to the market and sold them. He got a handsome amount of money, means he got a good amount of money in his hand, and he was able to get married lavishly. After a year, he came back to the tree solemnly and complained, "There has been a quarrel at home, and now I have to fend for myself. I need a house. Can you give me a house?" A boy asked from the tree. Tree said, "Take my strong branches and build a house for yourself and make your furniture too," said the tree lovingly. So the boy hacked down all the branches, leaving the tree with just its trunk. Slowly, the tree aged without its branches and leaves. It felt lonely and sad. It missed the boy. Years went by. The lonely old tree often thought of a boy. No one else come to him too, because he did not bear any mangoes. One day he saw the boy approaching. He had aged a bit and looked healthy and prosperous. "I need a boat," he said to the tree. "I want to take my family on a voyage. I want to see something of the world." Tree said, "Take my trunk. It's all that I have. It will make you sound boat," urged the tree. The thoughtless boy took the trunk, made his boat, and sailed away without even once thinking about the tree and what he had done to it. finally, the boy, now a tired old man, all he could think of was his faithful friend, the tree. Come, boy, called the tree. Rest here on my stem. It makes a good seat. We can be happy together. The boy gratefully for once sat down in the warm sunshine on the tree stump. Tree was very happy at last because he got his old boy, his old friend with him at last. So, the moral of the story is we have to help others. It may not be in the terms of finance or it not in the terms of money. Charity depends upon what we have. Some may have a lots of wealth, some may have intelligence, while some others may have physical strength, which could be utilized to help others. Sharing what we have shows our concern for others. This is a true love and perfect charity, that giving to others selflessly. It is said that charity begins at home. So, children, we should learn that first we should share our things with our brothers, sisters, and parents. We should also try to help others. We should also help our friends, teachers, because charity does not mean just to give what you are having, but yes, to also help others in whatever manner you can do. So, children, from this story, we have learned that we should always try to help others. We should always try to give what we have in a good way, in a good manner, in a cultivate manner, so that the person who can see us can also learn from us. So, children, always try to give, always try to give your best. It does not, we don't want you all to give the things in the form of a kind or in the form of a money, but we need you to behave well with others, respect everyone, and try to help others. Thank you.